Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook some biscuits. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. What we got going on for you today is we're going to cook up some of these. These are Grand's cinnamon rolls with strawberry cream flavored icing. And then when we get these cooked up, we're going to make an epic breakfast sandwich using these for bread. So let me get these on the griddle. I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, I got those cinnamon rolls on the Blackstone griddle and it's on a low heat. What we're going to do now is take some parchment paper and my Blackstone burger smasher and smash them down. Smash them down flat like that. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. And that's going to cook without an oven on the Blackstone. Let's do that again in case you missed it. Smash another one down flat. Yeah, baby. Here comes another. There's only 5 of them in the package, and I'm going to use 2 of them to make my sandwich, my epic breakfast sandwich. Here we go. Okay, that's 4. And here comes number 5. That one didn't work out exactly like it should. Number 5 is kind of small, actually. We'll smash him down anyway. There we go. And then we have some strawberry flavored icing to ice them with. But first we got to cook them. Once we get them cooked up a little bit, we'll flip them. Where's that butter at? Oh, here's some butter spray. That would help with the cooking process. Probably should have put that down first. That's okay. We'll slip these around. Get them cooked up like that. In that buttery spray. Got the griddles on low, very low heat. We're just going to let those cook, then we'll flip them over, then we'll come back and we'll cook up some bacon and sausage, and we're going to take 2 of these and make an epic breakfast sandwich out of it. So stay tuned. Yeah, my cinnamon buns are starting to puff up a little bit and cook. Hey, I forgot to mention I got the idea for this from my buddy Brian, the Bearded Italian. Go up in the iCard and check Brian out. He's a cool dude. He's got a Blackstone griddle. He's making all kinds of cool stuff on there. Anyway, we got to cook these up a little bit. They got to cook. I got them on a real low heat, so it's going to take a little bit of time, I guess. They're not really cooking like Brian's did. I don't know. He had a pretty high heat. I guess he had about 375. I haven't got my thermometer out here, so I don't know what it is. So I'm just cooking them. All right, let me get these cooked up. And then, like I said, we're going to get some bacon and sausage on here and make an epic breakfast sandwich with 2 of these. So stay tuned. It took a little bit of time, but my cinnamon buns are browning up nicely. They're almost done. We're going to get them off there and throw down some bacon and sausage. And then, like I said, we're going to put together this epic breakfast sandwich. So stay tuned. The buns are done. I've got some bacon rocking down on the Blackstone. These 4 are going to be for my sandwich. And I've got some sausage, but I also want to do a Smashies sausage. I got to move these out of the way a little bit so you can see. Move this bacon up here. Get this up here. Get these sausages rocking over here. Get this bacon cooking up here. Now watch this. I'm going to throw down some breakfast sausage right here. And get my burger smasher and my parchment paper and smash me a breakfast sausage patty right there, smashed breakfast patty to go on my epic sandwich. Yeah. So I'm going to get the bacon cooked up and the sausage patty cooked up, and this is for the rest of the family. They're going to be eating some breakfast too. And let me get this all cooked up and I'll put together this epic sandwich. Stay tuned. Okay, the last component of my breakfast sandwich is a scrambled egg, which I'm going to pour out right here. And then we can take the spatula and consolidate that into a more manageable sandwich-sized egg. Like so, I hope. Anyway, that's my plan. Yeah, got the griddle on low. Got my seasoned egg on there. Just trying to make that where it'll fit on my breakfast sandwich. See if I can get that to consolidate up a little bit. There you go. There you go. Now we're talking. There's a scrambled egg. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Getting it done, baby. Getting it done. All right. We're almost ready to assemble our sandwich, so stay tuned. Okay, let's put this sandwich together. We're going to start out with a frosted cinnamon bun, like that. Then I've got some cheese, some sharp cheddar we're going to put on top of that, smashed cinnamon bun on the Blackstone, got some cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar, we'll throw down with that. We'll put the egg on top of that. Egg. Whoops. Come on off of there, you. Damn. It's conspiring against me. Some more cheese. My sausage patty. Come on off of there. There you go. Some more cheese. More cheese. My bacon. Can't do this without bacon. It's against the law. Come on now. Don't make me touch hot bacon. I don't want to hear it. Come on, get on there. Bacon, bacon. I'm calling Aaron's name. Bacon, bacon. I want 4 pieces of bacon on there. I should have brought the tongs out here and I didn't. And now I'm going to have to touch hot bacon. I knew that was going to happen. All right, I did it. I touched it. There, it's on there. Okay, that's 3. One more piece of bacon. There you go. Another piece of cheese on top of that. I told you this was epic. And the topper, the creme de la creme, a smashed cinnamon bun for the top. And what I'll do now is put my little hood on there, get that cheese a little melty, then it'll be time to drink some coffee and taste this awesome creation. So stay tuned. Alright, my epic sandwich is done. I'll bet you guys would like to see me eat that. I don't know if I can, it's all sliding all over. I want to show you this though. This is the kind of coffee I drink. Cafe Bustelo espresso style for the Keurig machine. It's excellent. If you can get some of that, it's the best coffee going. And let me see if I can slide this mess back up on here and cut it and maybe get some in my mouth. I don't know. It's pretty sloppy sandwich, I'll tell you. This is like a knife and fork sandwich, to be honest with you. And my wife garnished the plate with some fresh grapes. Looking pretty good. I don't know if I can pick that up or not. I'm gonna try though. Why not? It's probably hot. It's probably sloppy. I know it's sloppy. Let me see if I can get some of that in my mouth. Don't that look good? Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. That's what I'm talking about. Mmm. Smashed cinnamon buns. Epic breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. Hey babies, if you like this crap, let me get a sip of coffee. Mmm. Mmm. There's Rolf. Rolf says, hey you, you're finally awake. Yes, that's right, Rolf, I'm awake. Hey, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go open the iCard, see my buddy Brian, the bearded Italian. A cool dude, cooking all kinds of cool stuff up. And yeah, check him out. Subscribe to me. Say hello to Rolf. Rolf. Hey you, you're finally awake. Okay, I'm awake. Anyway, we'll see you next week, babies. We may not cook anything good, but we'll drink something. Coffee or beer, you never know. Okay, babies, bye.